Hi guys, so my name is Sharak and I'm going to take you through a little bit about what this ambassador program is all about. If you have any questions, there is the chat, so please put any questions at any time in the presentation. We'll try and take all the questions later on. This is the sales ambassador program that we're doing for Seed Global Education, and I'll take you through what is the program we're trying to sell. Feel free to put your videos on if you would like, so that I could also have some interaction with you. I would request your mics to be off at all points in time, like your to always keep your mics on mute, so that we'll have just one person talking. If you have questions, put them in the chat. The idea of this is that just let me share my screen. Just a second. Yeah. So the idea effectively is that we'll be talking about the sales ambassador program. The job in this internship or in this project is for each of you will be able to make up to as much as you would like. Per student it's about 5,000 rupees. Per sec, two students is about 12,000, three students is about 20,000. So basically that's the commission model, and we are working on this on a commission model itself. So for every student that signs up to the program that I'm going to be talking about, you can put them in touch with me, and if they close, you will be getting the commission. So all you have to do is talk to your network, build a proposal, build a plan, and help me to sell this program better in the India market. I'll take you through everything that you need to know about this particular program. So I think we have waited for enough time for more people to join in. So let's quickly begin. My name is Sharang, and I am the co-founder of Seed Global Education. And let's go directly into what this program is all about. Firstly, do you know one of the most important questions that will come up in interview process, in job interview process here on in? What do you think? Just put in the chat. What do you think is the most important question now that will come up in an interview process if you're looking for a job? I'm looking for some questions that you think. Like, for example, some of the topics would have been, where do you see yourself in 5 years, or where do you see yourself in 10 years? Any new questions according to you that will come up in the new interview processes? Okay, I've got some responses just privately, not overall on the chat, but if there is something, I'm not being able to read them right now, but I've got a couple of them. So yes, I think somebody has mentioned that where do you see yourself in 10 years? What about your personality? I believe the most important question is going to be, what have you done in this lockdown, right? All of us have more time on our hands. All of us have been trying to do different things in this lockdown. So what have you done in this lockdown? That's a very important question. And our answers majorly will be, I learned to do some cooking. I went on Instagram and I did the Dalgona coffee challenge. All of these things we have done in this lockdown. We have also done some fitness. We've all, got some yoga mats, and we've decided to go be fit because all the gyms have been closed, and we've been eating a lot of food. We've also found different ways to watch online shows. We've been doing some Netflix and chill. We've been doing some online, binge watching as well. But the question is, how many of you have also invested in doing an online course? Just give me a yes if you have done an online course so far. Just give me a yes in the chat section if you have done an online course in the last few months. Interesting. So great. I think I've already got a lot of yeses for people who've done an online course. So these online courses are effectively to help people to upskill themselves. Some of these courses are done because you did something in college and maybe those grades were not good enough. So that's why you picked up an online course. And our job together is to help people to sell another online course, and this course is known as the MIM Essentials Program. Okay, so the name of the program is the MIM Essentials Program, and I'm going to take you through what this program is also. So you'll have to maybe take your pens and your diaries and start making a note, or open a new Word document and start making notes if you would like. Right. So what is the MIM Essentials? What is the Masters in Management? So basically, this is I'm explaining to you a concept known as the Masters in Management. This is for students who want to study a master's program in management for people with less than 2 years of work experience. So anybody who's recently graduate or has up to 2 years of work experience can do this Masters in Management program. It's basically like an MBA program for younger professionals. So it's an MBA, but for young professionals. But the fees of the Masters in Management program is about half of what the fees for an MBA program would be. So this is a program that happens usually in Europe. It's very famous in Europe. And the price of these programs is half of what the price of an MBA program is, right? It has people from all over the world. You know, the Masters in Management program has people from all over the world. It has internships within the program as well. So let's assume you're in Madrid, or you're in London, or you're in Paris, or you're in Germany, and you are doing internships in those regions. That is what the Masters in Management program is about. It helps you get managerial skills just like the MBA does. So that's the another good part. And it's also super duper international, because you have people and faculty members coming in from all over the world as well. So that is the Masters in Management program. Now we are talking about a pathway to get into the Masters in Management program. The course that we are going to be talking to our friends about and our networks about is going to be a pathway program to reach the Masters in Management program, right? And this will be done online. So that's why it's an online course, which helps. It's a road or a pathway to get into the Masters in Management program, which is why it's a fast track. Which means if you do this program, you will get into a fast track way to go and maybe build your career in Europe, right? So that's essentially what the program is. And this program is done by top universities across the globe. So who's doing this program? Who is this MIM Essentials program done by? I'll take you through that. Firstly, it's not done by any of Coursera or Udemy or Udacity. It's not done by any of these. It's done by the 5th best business school in the world, which is known as Imperial College Business School in UK. The IE Business School in Spain. This is my former company. I used to work for IE Business School. And the best school in Germany, which is ESMT in Berlin. So these 3 universities have come together to start something known as the MIM Essentials program. It's called the QS MIM Essentials program, right? So let's get this straight. It is not any other online course. There are 3 universities who have joined their hands, and they have together launched this MIM Essentials program. So who's this program for? Who can do this program? Firstly, the age group for this program is between 20 to 23. So anybody who is right now in their final year of graduation, or has graduated in 2020, or graduated last year, or people with less than 2 years of work experience after graduation will be eligible. So they can either be entrepreneurs, or people who want to switch their careers. For example, if you would have done an engineering degree and you now want to get into business, this is the perfect program for you. You will have people who want to get into leadership positions. If you work for a company for a year and now you want to grow, this is for leadership positions. It's obviously for recent graduates, people who just graduated. For people who have their own businesses, like who are business owners, and majorly people who you think will want to study abroad. Now, when I say abroad, it can be anywhere in the world. So if they have the inclination to study abroad, this program will be for them. So what will they study? They will learn managerial skills, entrepreneurial know-how, decision-making, leadership skills, strategic thinking, communication skills. And basically it is a 9-course module. You will be studying 9 courses over the 12 weeks of this program. So these are the courses. You'll be studying accounting, data analytics. You will be studying economics, finance, marketing and sales, strategy, technology, entrepreneurship, and people, teams, and organizations. So these are the faculty members and the schools associated, and these are the courses that the student will be studying. So there are two options for people who decide to do this program. Either they can use it just as a certificate, so you can do the program, take the certificate and leave, or you can actually pursue the Masters in Management program, right? So there are two kind of people who would do this program. Either they would use it only as a certificate, or they would use it as a Master in Management and go ahead and do the Masters in Management. Let's see the benefits of doing this program only for an online certification. So when I asked about online certification, this program can be done as only an online certification. So if you do this program, Seed Global Education, which is my company, I will help you with career support, which means I will work on your resume with you. I will put you in touch with people in my connections, and I will help you find a job, and I will help you find an internship based on your profile. So this is something that I can provide you in terms of career support, in terms of who to write to, what to write in your email, and the fact that you will now be job ready is something that I will help you. So I will prep you for an interview. I will help you with your resume. I will connect you with people in my network based on your profile, based on your interest. This is something which is the most important thing that I will be able to provide. You will get certificate, you will get a completion certificate, and for every module you finish, you will get a certificate as well. So you'll get 4 certificates after doing just one program. You have the reputation of 3 of the top schools in the world on your resume. So this is going to help you if you ever decide to go study abroad. This will help you. This will also help you to find a new job. The best part about doing a Masters in Management program is you'll make friends and build a network of people all around the world. So the program is not only a faculty coming, teaching and going. You will be doing a lot of projects and assignments. It's a very practical course you will be doing, and your group members will not be from India. Your group members will be from different parts of the world. So you will maybe have a Portuguese group member, a Brazilian group member, people from all over the world who will be doing this online program as well. You will improve your managerial decision-making skills. You will also build your entrepreneurial mindset. So this is what you will get as a benefit from taking the certificate up. But if you decide to pursue the Masters in Management later on in your career, you've got 4 things. I will show you, I have done the math. We will help you save money. We will help you save time, and you'll have better chances of admission into the Masters in Management program, and all the benefits of the certificate you will achieve. Like all these benefits also you will get if you take up the Masters in Management program, which means you will get the certificate, and I will also help you to find a job or an internship, and I will help you with your resume, and I will put you in touch with people. So that is something that I will help you out with. So if you pursue the Masters in Management, you will save time, save money, have better chances for getting admission into the program, and also benefit of a certificate. So how do you save money? How do people who do this program save money? Firstly, the fees you pay, you only have to pay the balance fees of the MIM, right? So offset overall fees of IEs, EMSMT, and fees with the MIM program, and you will save on rent because you will be living in your own house to do this program. You'll not be paying rent and having other expenses, which otherwise you would have. Plus, you will also get some special scholarships, which means any person who's interested in doing this program and going for the MIM will be getting some special scholarships. He'll be part of an exclusive group of people to do this scholarship, right? And he'll also get the general scholarship that is there. So there are, let's say, 10 scholarship opportunities that normal students get. This student will also get those 10 and a special one where the competition is less, because this is only for people who did the online course. And together, both these help and save money. Now, what I did is I spoke to about 20 students who did the MIM, and I asked them that, guys, if you had a little more money that you would have saved, right, what would you have done with that money during the MIM program? And they said it's better ROI, right? Their return on investment is going to be better because their expense is lesser which means they will make that money back faster. If you are going to Europe for 1 year, you want to travel, right? So you will have funds to travel. You will be able to pay rent and other expenses, right? You can stay in Europe longer because you have a extension visa and you will be able to stay in Europe longer. And you'll obviously be able to build a career in Europe. So this project, this money that you saved is going to help you in all these ways. So let me tell you how you'll actually save the money. Let's assume that you want to do the MIM program at IE Business School. Okay. The IE Business School Masters in Management fees are 34 lakhs, okay, are 38,200 euros, right? The fees are 34 lakhs. Any MIM student that goes for the program has to pay these fees, okay? So I did the math. So what are the fees deduction you will get? You will get a discount of 20%, and the 20% of 38,200 is 7650. So you're going to get a 20% discount on the overall fees. You will get a special scholarship. Now, I used to work at IE Business School, so I know that the average scholarship students get is about 20%. So you will save 6,000 euros more, and your fees you will pay for the MIM program, which early on were 38,200 euros, are now going to be only 24,550 euros, which means instead of spending 34 lakhs for your masters, you will be spending only 22 lakhs for your masters, which means that because of this online course, you will not only, you'll save 12 lakhs. So 12 lakh rupees INR, if you do this online course, you would be able to save. Similarly, if you don't want to go to IE and you want to go to Germany, you will, again, the Germany program ESMT fees are 29,500 euros, which are the 26 lakhs INR. The fees are 29 again. The deduction in fees, you get a discount of 5,000 euros. Average scholarship is again 10%, because I know the average scholarship here is 10%. And now you will be paying only about 22,000 euros, which means 19 lakhs. So again, for ESMT, for the school in Germany, you will be again saving 6.5 lakhs. So for both these schools, you will be saving either 12 lakhs or around 6 lakhs if you do this online course. This is, the special scholarship is an average scholarship. I don't guarantee you will get that scholarship, but this is the average scholarship that students who get into the program actually have. Right? So keep that in mind. We are helping students save 12 lakh rupees or 6.5 lakh rupees based on the program that they, based on the university that they're going for. Second question is, how do you save time? Well, in a master's program, students have to complete 60 credits. Okay, different schools have different credits. I've taken the maximum credits, let's say 60 credits. And you would have already completed 18 out of them by sitting at home. So until you don't have to catch a flight until the end of the year, you utilize this time until December, complete these 18 credits, which means once you are in Europe, you will have more time. And what do you do with this more time? You will get to travel. You will get to go out. You will get to sleep more often. You will utilize that 4 months that you have on your time to do an internship or to do networking or to find a job for yourself. These are the things you could do with more time. You can also build your personality. You can go for extracurricular activities along with your college itself. You can be a part of more clubs because now you've got more time. Because when other people are going to be studying for their exams and doing the regular MIM program, you will have more time to do internships, you will have more time for jobs. And it's not that you will be skipping that semester. You will still be on a student visa at that place, but you don't need to go to class because those things you have already completed online. So you will have the full experience, but the boring part, which is the studying and the exam part, you would have already finished. What are the chances for admission? Now, so just to give you a background, I have been a former admissions committee member at IE Business School, one of these universities. I've been a former admissions committee member. I used to take interviews of students, and people who've gone to the program for IE have gone through me because I've gone through the interview process with them. So if they do only the MIM, I'm telling you what the admission committee thinks once you're thinking about going to study abroad. If you do only the MIM program, you do not have any you cannot do anything about your grades that you have already finished in your undergraduate, right? So so basically, any poor performance in your undergrad, it will not be overlooked. I used to look at their undergraduate, report card or their scores, and I would ask them questions as to why your economics grade is low or why your finance grade is low, because that's what I'm supposed to look at as an admissions committee member. Okay, but if you do the online program, and let's assume you do well in the online program, I can look at your grades of the online program and overlook your undergraduate grades, because now I have something to compare. Okay, so the admissions committee can review the performance of the candidate of the MIM Essentials program course. If the candidate performs well, then the committee can overlook the poor performances. Now, let's say, for instance, if you want to get into the MIM program and your GMAT score is, let's say, 620, average GMAT score is 660. But if you perform very well in the Essentials program, the online program that we've done, then that 620 does not matter, because I know we are looking for aptitude, and if the aptitude of the student is good based on the essentials program that we've done, then you stand a very, very good chance of getting admissions, which is why doing the MIM after the essentials program is a better alternative. You get better chances of admissions. So let me give you an example. For instance, if your economics grade in your undergraduate final year, let's say you did your BCom or any engineering degree or any of the BBA or BMS, or any of the bachelor's program, and your economic grade was B minus. Okay, you cannot go back in time and rectify that B minus. But if you perform well in the MIM Essentials program, you have now a better chance of admission. Okay, so the committee will always look at the holistic picture, and subject to your good performance in the online program, Imperial College Business School, which is the 5th best school in the world, IE Business School, the 6th best school in the world, and ESMT, all of three will give you better chances of admission. Then you can pick which university you want to go to, right? So all of them will give you better chances of admission. And let's talk about the classroom. This is basically what the classroom looks like. This is the online classroom that the students will be studying in. Effectively, it has emotion recognition system, which means based on how you are feeling, the professor knows if you're angry or if you're sad or if you're excited, if you're paying attention, if you're not paying attention. This is better than a normal classroom as well, and it's wonderfully tech enabled. So this is the classroom where the online course will be taught from, which is why it's not just a screen and one online course. We have people from all over the world who will be part of this thing as well. So this is it's called the Wow Room. It's called the IE Business School Wow Room, and they are going to be providing this Wow Room for the online courses. So let's look at the program details. This program begins on 28th of September. It goes on for 10 to 12 weeks, and your application needs to come in by the end of this month. Okay. You have 360 contact hours, because 40 hours into 9 courses, you will be spending about 5.5 hours a day approximately. So this is for people who have time on their hands, right? This is not for anybody who does not have time. This is for people who want to invest time, and it's basically doing one semester of a master's program, but doing that semester online. And you will be done this full semester before Christmas, and 2020 will not be going to waste. I know all of us have been cribbing and staying at home about 2020 going to waste. So 2020 will not go to waste if you do this program. So what are the fees? Let's look at the fees for the Masters in Management Essentials program. The fees are about 7,90,000 or 9,000 euros. But what we have done is we have gotten a discount. Now, this discount is only for people that come through us. I will share the website link also with you. This is only for the people who have come through us. And the fees of the program are now going to be only 5,60,000. The earlier on the fees were close to 8 lakhs. Now the fees are only 5,60,000, which is 6,500 euros or 7,500 US dollars, based on how you want to look at it. Okay, so we are providing a flat 28% discount. So if you look at The website says 9,000, but we are giving an early bird discount until the end of this month, and the fees are 6,500. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is the certificate that they will get, Masters in Management like Essentials program. It will be signed by the associate deans of these three universities. This certificate is one of the most sought after certificates that students would want to get into, because best school in Germany, best school in Spain, best school in the UK, and Imperial is the fifth best school in the world according to the QS rankings. IE is the sixth best school according to the world the QS rankings. ESMT is the best school in Germany, right? So this certificate is of great value. Now, what is your role? Let's talk business. Let's talk about understanding what is your role into this. You have to get as many people to register for this course. For every student that signs up, you get a bonus. I'll talk about the bonus a little later on as well. Okay, so you can go through the course. If you have any questions, let us know. You have to not invest anything else but time. You have no expenses. It's your home, your internet. You can use your own social media. You can use your network of people, your friends who would be interested in doing this course. And if you find people to do this course, you will get a bonus. I'll talk about what those bonuses also are. Now, what help you will need? You will need social media posts and content. I will provide you the social media posts and content, which means if you need some Instagram stories, I will provide you that. If you want to make a Facebook post to post, I will provide you that. Okay. If you want to send WhatsApp messages on your WhatsApp groups, etc., I can provide you that. Okay. If you have a lot of email addresses, maybe you've done some project and you've got a lot of email addresses, maybe you have your full class in your final year college, your full class, I can provide you an email that you can send. If you know friends who would be interested in this program, I can provide them a one-to-one counseling. So this program, this whole recording that I have done so far, I can provide you a one-to-one counseling for anybody who is interested at any point in time. Okay. I will be also conducting an info session, which means right now I've only spoken for the last 25 odd minutes about the program. I will be speaking more in depth about this program for people who are interested. And any other support you need, you can get in touch with me. I will put in my email also, and any other support you need, you can get in touch with me. Now, what's in it for you? Let's look at the bonus structure first. Okay, so let's read this very carefully. For every student who joins the program, I will give you a commission bonus of 5,000 rupees after he pays the fees, after he pays the fees of 6,500 euros, which is the fees of the MIM Essentials online program. I will, and then you come and tell me that this particular student came via me. I will put it in the system backend. I will put your name in the system backend, and I will give you a commission bonus of 5,000. If you ensure that two students enroll, then you will get 12,000 rupees. If you've got three students that enroll, you will get 20,000 rupees. And for every next student that enrolls, you will get an additional commission of 5,000 rupees, which means for 4 students, you get 25,000. For 5 students, you get 30,000. And if you get 10 students, you can do the math yourself as to how much money you will make, right? So one student 5,000, two students 12,000, three students 20,000, and for every next student you get 5,000 rupees each. Okay. I will also give you a free ticket to the resume building workshop. So if you need your resume to be worked on, I've seen your resume. Some of them are good, but a lot of improvement is required in your resume. Okay. So I'll give you a ticket, free ticket, regardless of anything. I'll give you the free ticket to the resume building workshop that I'm doing. I'm doing this workshop on 29th of this month. So you'll get a free ticket to that. And if you have even one enrollment, I will sit with you for 1 hour on your resume. If you have any questions, you can pick your brains as to how much you want. I'm a certified resume reviewer and a career coach, right? So if you have any questions about your resume, feel free to put them in that one-to-one session we'll do, and I will take care of all your questions. On if you get even one student, I will give you a certificate from Seed Global Education, which is my company, that you have completed an internship, and I will give you a recommendation on LinkedIn that you're a good sales associate. That's something that I can provide. Okay, I've got about 13,500 LinkedIn followers, so that's also going to help you. And when I talk about you on my LinkedIn, that will also help you in your profile to achieve your career goals. Okay, but remember, to have any of this, you need to have at least one enrollment. Means at least one person will have to pay the fees. Okay, so I'm going to leave it up to any questions that you might have right now. So if you have any questions, I can stop this share and then Please put any questions you have in the chat box because I have that open, and I will answer any questions that you might have. I'll also let you unmute your microphones if you want to, unmute, and also let me know if you want to have any kind of questions about this. And please put the questions not in the private, but actually in the chat itself. Yeah, sure. I'm just going to try to unmute. Just give me a moment. Sorry, I think it was Varun who wanted to unmute. Yes, Varun, I have. Yeah.
Hi, Sharan.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear
Sharan,
you.
I had one question. You said to get, to reach the students, why don't we just go to, I guess a lot of people would have registered at these colleges, right? Um who are interested in MIM. So we could directly target those people, right? We could just tell them about this new program, what are the benefits, and get them to enroll.
Yeah. So what I'm doing for these colleges, and I'll just come to that. I think there's some background noise coming. If you can, if somebody who's part of that can just close that background noise, I'll just tell you what I'm doing. Just give me a moment. Let me just share my screen once again. I'm actually doing a resume building workshop for them, right? So let me just show you how it looks like. Right. Yeah. So if you can see my screen right now, okay, I'm doing a 90-minute resume building workshop for universities, for institutions. So I'm going to these colleges and telling them that I'm giving you a 90-minute resume building workshop for free. Okay. And in that workshop, in the last 15 minutes or the last 10 minutes, I'm going to be speaking about the Masters in Management Essentials program. So if you can help me organize a workshop with your university, okay, and I organize this workshop because of you, you will, approach the faculty or the principal or somebody else, then I will be able to get in touch with them, speak to them, organize this workshop. And once this workshop is organized, then any person that comes from that workshop, you will get the benefit of. So if any, let's say you're based in Christ College, Bangalore. Okay, Varun, where are you based? Which university did you graduate from? Sorry, I can't hear you, Varun. Okay, so let's say you're from IIT Madras, right? So if you help me open the door for IIT Madras, any student that wants to do this program from IIT Madras will be able to get a chance to go ahead with this, right? So I'm going to be approaching colleges myself as well. For example, IIT Madras, I don't have a personal contact in, but if you can help me do that, then any kind of leads that come from IIT Madras, you will get the benefit of. Okay. Dimpy also asked me, I want post so that I can post. Yes, Dimpy, we will share a whole list with you as to what you can post on your social media. Any kind of traction that comes from your social media, you can tell me that, hey, Sharang, this person is interested. I will call that person, speak to them, and if they're interested and if they sign up, then you will get the benefit. Right. I think I've given everybody a chance to unmute. So if you have more questions, feel free to actually do so. Feel free to ask me questions, anybody. Yeah.
Sharan, what I meant is, there would be a lot of students who must have interest, like express interest at IE site, right? Download brochure or something. So wherein they give their email ID, right, for the MIM program, but not for the essentials. So we know, a target of a group of people who are interested in MIM. Can we directly contact them and tell us about this essential program, and there's a higher chance of getting them enrolled?
Yes. So I technically I'm not working for IE anymore. IE is my former company, right? So I'm not technically working for IE anymore. So I don't have access to any of their database as such, right? But if I know some of them personally, I've already approached people who I know personally who might want to do the MIM Essentials program. So yes, from the college aspect also, whatever database I have gotten. in touch with them already and speaking to them directly as well. But essentially, this is to get people from outside my network and from your network essentially. All right, great. Any more questions? Anything else that you need? If you need anything, else, if you're interested in this, you can, I will get in touch with you on email. Everybody who's here, I think, Kinnari, if you can just make a list of all the participants who are still here, I will send them an email with, what are the like the offer letter for doing this internship, which is keeping all these things official, and then I will ask them if they need any kind of help, any kind of support, let's say to make a Facebook post or to make a Instagram post. All those things I will also get it done. Varun, are there any more programs like this? No, I think for now this is only one program, which is the Masters in Management Essentials. So for now we are speaking only for this program, and the commission is based only for this program, at least for now. I think Dimpy, you had one more question. Please go ahead with your question. Let me just once again try and unmute your microphone as well if you are here. Yeah. So if you have any more questions, I'm still here. Okay, super. So no more questions. So great. I think we've closed this quite quickly. I will. You can expect an email from me by tonight with the confirmation that you will be like eligible for this, because I need to make a list on my end as to who are the people. No competition for this program. Nobody else is doing this across the world. This is the only pathway program for the MIM for any of these universities. In fact, in my knowledge, for nowhere in Europe, there is a similar pathway program happening right now. Right. So this program has been offered early on, but it was more on an on-campus base, where they come on campus for 2 weeks, and it was only for Europeans, not for Indians. But this program now is for people from all over the world, do the first semester online. And this program is also built because a lot of countries are still dealing very badly with COVID-19, which means people from South America cannot catch flights outside. People from India find it very difficult to catch flights outside. So keeping that in mind, this program makes a lot of sense for people who might want to do the Masters in Management program anytime in the future. Any of you who are also interested in this program, you can also sign up for this program, and that will certainly help. So I'm just putting my email address on the chat. If you have any questions, yes, Priyansh, you can approach students from outside of India as well. I will find a way to also get that. They can be Indians, they can be foreigners as well. As long as they are interested in this program, I'm fine with that. So if you have any questions later on, I'll also put in my number here. So you feel free to WhatsApp me. I don't think I'll be in a position to answer calls, but if you can WhatsApp me, I'll certainly return your call, and I'll certainly respond to you if you're interested. So this is my name and my email address and my contact number. So feel free to get in touch. And if you have any questions little later on as well, I'll be happy to speak to you about it. Right? Great. So if there are no more questions, I'll be happy to close this, and let's try and build a cohesive way where both of us can work together to actually find people who might be interested in doing such a program. And I will go through the full counseling process with them, speak to them on a one-to-one basis, explain to them all the benefits of doing this program. All right. So great. Thanks so much, everybody who's joined in. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much for taking out time. And yes, I expected 10 people to be here. There's 9 people. One of the person could have left. And we'll be in touch. You have my contact details. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me. Feel free to send me a WhatsApp, and I will respond to you as early as possible. For now, it's been great, and I will catch you guys soon. All the very best. Please send me an email if you have any questions. For now, goodbye and good luck.